garden tour the other day, and I didn't even mention that Gale Southern Living is the one hosting the garden tour club and letting everybody show off their gardens. So I did another quick video tour of my garden, and that is coming up now. I love this time of year because there are changes that you can see every single day in your growing season. So we have been out here cleaning and weeding, and you can see in here, I think that all of that was growing in there was, sorry about the construction noises in the background, but I believe that a lot of that was wildflower that I actually planted. So I didn't pull it all out. And I've got flowers coming up that I know I planted, but I don't know what they are. So you can see my tulips. I don't know if I showed you these earlier, but my tulips did bloom. They're looking lovely. So this fall, what I'm going to do is dig out some of these daffodil bulbs and fill in these empty gaps here along the front. So then maybe my tulip down there will come up and do something next year, which would be very nice. So anyway, out here we cleaned this all up, added some compost in there, and let's see, there's our little pile of compost. So we put it in here and cleaned this all up. And so I planted, in here I planted, not echinacea, calendula. I planted calendula here, and I planted yarrow over on the other side. And then we have the rose and the mint in the background. And then I planted sunflowers. Over there, I planted 3 different heights. I planted some that are going to get up to 6 feet tall or higher, some that are going to get to 4 or 5 feet, some that are going to get to about 3 feet. And then in some of these pots, including that canvas pot over there, I put some that are only going to get to be about 2 feet, 2.5 feet. Hi there. Look at the puppies. Hello. Stay down. Cute. You too. And you can see here some of my lilies have come up, and my rose back there doing its thing. And of course, this is still a disaster. I have to get in there and identify some of the plants. I did harvest all of the dandelions today. Oh, I missed a couple. Filled up these barrels with compost. They're not ready to be planted in, but I think I'll be putting peppers in them. Maybe I'll put my pepperoncinis in there. More there. Oh, look, here's a couple more I missed. Good grief. Anyway, what else? Cleaned those out and got rid of all that. Got this. I pretty much had this all cleaned out, but I finished cleaning it out. Cleaned all of this stuff out of here. Moved a couple of the strawberries that had gotten in behind that trellis. Brought my snake out. Oh, did my whole camera stop? No, it's still going, but ooh, it's almost dead. So, okay, so you can see my snake down there. It's just a little fake plastic snake, but it keeps the birds out. This bed is now ready. I did transplant some of my spinach today, and sweet Dave yesterday, when he was getting this bed ready because I wanted compost in it, he pulled out all of my chamomile. So I scraped up some of the plants from the garbage can that he had them in and replanted them. And I just watered them again. They're looking a little bit scraggly. We'll see how they're doing. We'll see how they're doing tomorrow. Keep your fingers crossed. My fingers crossed. Moved the rest of my tomatoes out here as well because they seem happier out here than they were inside. Celery is looking fantastic. That rose, I don't know if it's gonna make it. It's got one branch that's alive, but that's about it. Anyway, I guess that's my garden tour for today. It is an absolute beautiful, beautiful day out here on Vancouver Island on the west side of Canada. Not a cloud in the sky. A little bit of a moon over there that you can already see at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, just an absolute beautiful day. God, it's so wonderful. I really do love this garden tour collab because it's so easy. You just have to show off your beautiful garden and you are in. I know that Gail is still accepting more people, even though it's only running until August, but I think you can still get in on it. She's having giveaways every month. I think it's every month. She has some great giveaways that you can get into just by watching and commenting on garden tour videos. And you can also get in on having the garden videos. So show off your beautiful garden. Let's grow together. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate you so much. I will see you soon. Bye now.